Major Flood here with another Major Flood Minute. Our mission, save you from a water damage emergency.
Leaks from a refrigerator supply line can be the worst because the location in back is seldom seen. Water can leak for a long time before you notice it, leading to wet walls and subfloors. Take a minute to inspect your supply line to see if it has kinks in it. Replace twisted plastic or copper lines with new braided lines that can withstand movement without cracking or leaking. Keeping water in its place helps your home stay safe and dry.
And before you leave for vacation, make sure that your refrigerator's water supply line is turned off. Stay tuned for the next Major Flood Minute.